This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to check your BMW 1 Series oil level. First, make sure your car is parked on a flat, level surface. The engine should be at its normal operating temperature, then turned off for about 10 minutes. This allows the oil to settle for an accurate reading. You'll use your iDrive controller to access the vehicle's service menu. This digital method is standard for many modern BMWs. Once in the iDrive system, navigate to the main menu and select My Vehicle. From there, you'll choose Vehicle Status to see an overview of your car's systems. Next, find and select Engine Oil Level. This action will prompt the car to begin its electronic oil level measurement. This digital check replaces the traditional dipstick, offering a modern approach to maintenance. After selecting Engine Oil Level, the iDrive screen will display a message indicating that the measurement is currently in progress. This automated process typically takes around 2 minutes to complete. During this brief period, it's important not to turn off the engine or move the vehicle. Just allow the system to accurately assess your oil level without interruption. Once the measurement is complete, the display will show your current oil level. A green bar indicates the oil is within the optimal range. If the level is low, the system will advise you to add oil. Remember to add oil in small increments, such as 1/4 of a liter at a time, and recheck the level to avoid overfilling. This ensures proper engine lubrication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.